Here is how you can create Elementor Canva menu. To do that, you need to have Elements Kit installed and activated. And after activating, come to a page you need to create a canvas menu. Click here, add sections, add here an image for the logo. We can select a logo like this one, assuming this is a logo, then we set it into site URL, reduce the size, come to search for nav off header of canvas, drop it there. Then we can style it, can change this background to for example, we can change it to either to this one, depending on what we need, but still we can leave it with white. Can leave it in white. Then this one, the icon size, we can increase it, and set the color to black. We can also align it the right, so that when you click, it is like this. So now here, click on it, then click edit content. After clicking edit content, you can add your column section, or you can then you search here for menu. Menu. When the menu is here like this, you can select either one or two, depending on the one you need. Like now this one. After that one, from the layout, we can set it to this. Then we remove that. We can as well as add here the logo. We can add here the logo. Where is our logo? This is our logo. Then search this. You can even add social media. You round them depending on what you need. You can still add the logo, the buttons. It is after that you update. After updating, still you can check here and you can navigate in all of this, change the icons, change the background here, advanced. After you have updated, you can close now this one. Then you update here. After updating, click on it. Then this one you can still add. Then after that, close. After closing, refresh your page. Once you have refreshed the page, this is what we mean now. You can now have this in your menu. You can change this background color to what you need it to look like. Can you see? You can change to whatever you need. Either you do not need it, either you need it in black, then make it like this. Then you can even set this one to stick on top like that. You can still work on the mobile responsiveness like this. Click on this 20, put this one here at 80, like that. Then when it's on mobile, you update it, click on this. Click on the menu, scroll down, look for this to none, this one to none. After that, you can preview your page. If it still doesn't work, your menu will look like this on your mobile. So that's how you can create this off canvas menu. Click this to close. That's how you can create your off canvas menu. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.